guys, my name is Empress Jelena Paz from grade 6 Stars. And today I'm here with my mom to cook sweet style menudo for kids.
So first of all, let's cut the ingredients. Here goes the onion. And now the garlic. A large potato. Bell pepper. Carrots. Some hot dogs. And then a pork. Wow, that's so juicy, isn't it? Now some good raisins. And then the liver spread. We use liver spread instead of a real liver for more tastier sauce. Some salt, pepper, and of course sugar for more sweetness.
And now let's start.
First, we're gonna put the pork on the frying pan and let it simmer. Now add water. Now then put the lid on and we're gonna wait. Now we're adding some salt. Now adding some pepper. And we wait again. The pork is already tender. Now put some cooking oil, the garlic, and then the onion. Now put the pork to the wok pan. Add the carrots. After 2 minutes, add the potatoes. Now put the hot dogs. Now for the bell pepper. And then the raisins. And now add the tomato sauce. And finally, the liver spread. Add some pepper, sugar, and lastly, salt. Taste testing. And it's ready.
It's done! It's finally done!